Are you tired of manually rescheduling the same tasks over and over again? With this task planner in Excel, you can easily schedule recurring tasks based on the time they were actually completed instead of a rigid schedule. Simply enter your tasks, set their recurrence, and the planner will automatically reschedule them for you. How is this task planner different from all the other task planners out there? After all, they can all schedule recurring tasks. The difference is that this planner will calculate the next due date based on a set schedule and the actual completion date. So in case you complete your task later than originally planned, the next due date is based on the date you completed the task. For example, if you want to do something every 7 days and you're late 3 days, the next due date is not in 4 days but in 7 days as originally planned. Before you decide to use this planner, you should know that some of the code used in this template is only available in Excel 2016 or higher. The task list is made to work for maximum 100 tasks. Please do not insert any columns. The formulas are working based on current column position. Let's get to the demo and see how it works. When you open the task planner for the first time, you will be prompted with a warning that the task is using macros. In order to use its full functionality, you have to enable the macros. The task planner is very minimalistic. There are 5 visible columns and a hidden column containing a formula. In column A, enter the task name. In columns C and D, enter the frequency of the task. Column D is a drop-down. Using the 2 columns, you can specify the frequency in days, weeks, months, or years. Column E is the due date. This field can be edited, but it will also be calculated and overwritten when the button in column F is pushed. Column F contains the button Completed. When you push this button, the task's due date is calculated based on the set frequency and the date when you push the button. The tasks are sorted in order of their due date, with the first due on top, and always sorted again when a task is completed. The due date is color-coded. Tasks due today are highlighted in yellow. Tasks overdue are highlighted in red. When the completed button is pressed, the task and its completion date is logged into the Log tab. This way you can keep track of all the tasks you completed with their due date. There is an alternate variant of the task planner with a category. If you are choosing to purchase this task planner, both products will be delivered to you. If you want to add more than the 12 tasks in the template, select an entire row or multiple rows, copy them, select the next open row, and paste them. This will copy the formulas and the button. Let's do some examples. The date of this recording is December 11th, 2022. The first task is dusting the house every 7 days, but it's overdue by 2 days. When I click on the completed button, the task's due date moves up 7 days from today on December 18th. In the next example, I have the oil change due on December 24th. But I want to do it earlier because I know the car dealership will be closed on that day. So I will do it today. When I click on completed, the oil change task will move 6 months from today, not from December 24th when it was originally planned. If you want to know how to get this task planner, all the links are in the description. Thank you for watching.